Trying to make lunch for our daycare kids, and we have a birthday boy in the house, don't we? Birthday boy requested candy.
I'm the birthday.
Smarties specifically.
I'm the birthday.
You're not the birthday boy. You were the birthday boy last time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I talked him out. You broke it, that's okay. I talked him out of candy because I thought that wasn't a good idea, but little does he know. That was his favorite kind, apparently. But he did pick ham and cheese sandwiches. So we're gonna make some sliders today. I asked him what he wanted right when he got here, and then I did a Walmart delivery quick. Okay, gotta get the tops off. The kids are playing like with some pasta sensory. I'll show you in a minute.
I need the noodles.
It'll be okay. It's okay. My dog likes to eat noodles, like hard noodles. I really don't know if that's bad for him, but whenever the kids do pasta sensory, they're like dropping noodles, he comes around and eats them. I don't know. If that's bad for my dog, somebody tell me. Okay, here's what we got. Got smoked flavored provolone. I just happened to see it and I thought that sounded good. We're going to try it. We were listening to Christmas music downstairs. I'm kind of missing it. Now cheese. Oh, you guys are playing. I should have known you weren't talking to me. I'm going to sample this cheese. That's good. Okay. Putting my tops on. Whoa. Like so. Now we got to melt some butter. Okay, I'm going to melt a stick of butter in my microwave. Should have been doing this already. Are you guys having fun playing noodles? Here is the noodle situation going on here. It is keeping contained to the blanket for now. Okay, butter is melted. I'm going to add a little bit of Dijon mustard. And some Worcestershire sauce. Just a little bit. And some onion powder. Oh, do you guys hear the train? There's a train going by.
I don't want to join a beach and a hole when the whistle comes out.
Oh, yeah?
Okay, time to read it.
I totally forgot to butter the pan, or spray the pan. Hopefully it'll be okay. Hopefully they're not all stuck on the bottom. I feel like now that I've poured this, it's a little bit too late. On top, I just like to add parsley flakes. It makes it look a little prettier, right?
Yeah.
Looks like this. We're gonna cover with tin foil or aluminum foil, and then it's gonna go in the oven for, I don't know, like 15-20 minutes, something like that. Birthday boy requested bananas. So I just got these delivered this morning. I think they'll be good. I was like hoping I wouldn't get super green bananas. Okay, don't put them in your mouth.
Can you hear this, Mom?
I can't hear it. Oh, I mean a little bit, barely. And then he requested carrots for a veggie. You making mac and cheese? My daughter's working on a puzzle back here. Actually, I love bananas, like when they're not super ripe. I prefer to eat them this way. Okay, give it back. But let me see what else I can find, okay, guys? I also got a mess. I don't want to see. My sister has been telling me to try cottage cheese as a ranch dip. So I'm going to try that for the kids with their carrots today. I'm going to try it too. All right, 3 tablespoons. Okay, it looks like ranch. I'm going to put it back into this container and try it. All right, it totally looks like ranch. Taste test. That's really good. I feel like I could have done 2 tablespoons of this though. Really good. I'm not double dipping. I'm just trying this. It's really good. I'm gonna give the veggies a scoop. I don't feel as bad either if they're just like scooping up a bunch of ranch. Sliders are done. You guys did such a good job cleaning up. I'm so proud of you guys. I'm giving everybody 1 sandwich to start, but if you want another one, you can have another one. I think several kids will want another one. Sure. You're done cleaning up? Cheese wasn't all the way melted, but the kids just cleaned up and they're hungry. So I'm gonna give them their plates and I'll come around with sandwiches in like 5 minutes. They are indeed done now. But honestly, I wish I could do this every day because the kids are eating their fruits and veggies over there. And now they're gonna get a sandwich. For my and candy. They're eating candy too. Was that fun to get candy since it was birthday? For my food program, I am not supposed to do this. I'm supposed to serve every component at the same time to the children. But today just went this way, okay? So you have 8 kiddos, and I'm certain that some of them will have a second one. I'm not cutting them up. I'm just cutting the sandwiches apart. I'll bring you guys one, okay? Here's what they look like. Here's what the kiddos ate. Surprisingly, nobody wanted seconds on their sandwich. And I thought they were delicious. Most kids did eat it, though. Or, like, some of it.